Okay, hi, good morning to student. We are going to start our chemistry form 5 chapter 1 title Redox Equilibrium. Alright, so in Luke 18 verse 1, pray and never give up. Pray and never give up. Okay, what will you learn in this video? The first one, 1.1. Okay, we are going to learn the first subtopic, oxidation and reduction. This subtopic is a bit long, so we will go part by part. Okay, oxidation and reduction. Learning standards, you are able to describe redox reactions and also explain redox reaction based on the change in oxidation number. Okay, what is redox? Okay, what is redox? A redox reaction is a chemical reaction where oxidation and reductions occur simultaneously. So re is reduction, ox is oxidation. So when oxidation and reductions occur simultaneously, reaction itu kita panggil sebagai redox. Alright? Okay. Two words redox, reduction, oxidation. Okay. So redox in terms of, meaning we can define redox in these four terms. Okay, the first one is in terms of gain or loss of oxygen, gain or loss of hydrogen, transfer of electrons, and in terms of change in oxidation number. So we will go one by one. Oxidation and reduction, redox in terms of gain and loss of oxygen. Okay, oxidation reaction takes place when a reactant gains oxygen. Reduction reaction takes place when a reactant loses oxygen. You must remember and memorize this. Selalunya ini yang membingungkan para pelajar. So, kamu kena ingat dari term gain or loss oxygen. Kalau satu reaktan itu menerima oksigen, dia mengalami oxidation. Kalau reaktan itu kehilangan oksigen, dia mengalami reduction. Okay, understand? For example, here we have magnesium plus carbon dioxide. The product is magnesium oxide plus carbon. So here, the magnesium, right hand side, magnesium oxide. So dia gain oxygen from Mg become MgO, gain oxygen. So the magnesium undergo oxidation. Okay, how about the carbon dioxide? Here, the carbon dioxide got oxygen. Here, dia sudah tinggal karbon sahaja lagi. So dia lost oxygen. So dia undergo undergo reduction. Okay, ingat gain oxygen, oxidation. Loss oxygen, reduction. Remember that. Okay, so here, oxidizing agent is carbon dioxide. Reducing agent is the magnesium. Ini yang membingungkan para pelajar. Tapi jangan risau, kamu kena ingat sahaja dan kamu tidak akan bingung. Okay? Bahan yang mengalami oxidation, yaitu magnesium di sini, kita panggil sebagai agent, reducing agent, agent penurunan. Manakala bahan yang mengalami reduction adalah oxidizing agent. Dapat? Magnesium gain oxygen, undergo oxidation, and magnesium is reducing agent. Carbon dioxide lose oxygen, undergo reduction. Carbon dioxide is oxidizing agent. Okay? Boleh ah? Second one, redox or oxidation and reduction in terms of gain and loss of hydrogen. Tadi oxygen kan, so this one in terms of gain or loss hydrogen. So di sini dia terbalik. You know terbalik ah? Oxidation reaction takes place when reactant loses hydrogen. Kali ini dia loses hydrogen, kehilangan hydrogen, oxidation. Dia berbeza dengan ini tadi. Ini oxidation, gain oxygen. Tapi di sini oxidation loses hydrogen. Ingat terbalik. Manakala reduction adalah when the reactant gains the hydrogen. So remember this. This is example. This one is hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide become sulfur. So dia kehilangan hydrogen. So lost hydrogen, undergo oxidation. How about this chlorine? Chlorine dia pergi di sini, dia jadi hydrogen chloride. So dia gain itu hydrogen. So dia undergo reduction. Okay. So ini hydrogen sulfide undergo oxidation. So dia agent apa? Reducing agent. Yang ini chlorine, dia undergo reduction. So dia agent apa? Agent apa? Oxidizing agent. Alright. So remember this one. This is in term of gain or losses hydrogen. Okay. The third one. Oxidation and reduction in terms of electron transfer. Okay. Dari segi electron transfer. Electron transfer here means you gain or donate electron. Itu maksud dia. So, combustion of magnesium in oxygen produces magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide MgO is an ionic compound formed when electrons are transferred from a metal to a non-metal. Okay. Masih ingat kan macam mana transfer of electron dan juga formations of ionic compound? It is the transfer of electron from metal to non-metal. Masih ingat kan mana metal, mana non-metal? For example, metal itu group 1, non-metal itu group 17. For example. So here, this one is magnesium. Add with oxygen. Become magnesium or oxide. Okay. So oxidation in terms of electron transfer takes place when a reactant loses electron. Oxidation adalah apabila donate electron. Reduction when a reactant gains electron. Okay? Remember. Not all redox reaction can be explained in terms of loss and gain of oxygen or hydrogen. Okay? Since the discovery of electron by J.J. Thomson in 1897, chemists have started to use the concept of electron transfer in explaining the redox reaction. Okay, electron transfer meaning gain or donate the electron lah. Okay, di sini, this one is magnesium plus oxygen become magnesium oxide kan. So kita tengok bagaimana electron transfer berlaku di sini. Half equation persamaan setengah. half equations of oxidation, half equations of reduction. Ingat, oxidation itu apa? Loss electron. Reduction apa? Gains electron. So here, oxidation is loses electron. The magnesium loses 2 electron, so dia become magnesium ion, Mg2+. Kan? So, how about reduction? The oxygen here, dia receive electron to become oxide ion. So now the magnesium and the oxide ion, dia combine become magnesium oxide lah. Okay. So, formations of magnesium oxide ini adalah melibatkan redox, di mana berlakunya oxidation and reduction reaction occur simultaneously. Okay. So here, magnesium dia loses electron. So bila dia loses electron, dia adalah undergo oxidation. So bila dia undergo oxidation, automatic kamu tahu bahawa dia adalah reducing agent. Okay, here oxygen dia receive electron. So receive electron is reduction. Okay, reduction. Gain electron is reduction. So bila dia undergo reduction, kita tahu bahawa oxygen itu adalah oxidizing agent. Okay, electron acceptor. Alright. Okay, this is setup of apparatus to investigate the transfer of electron at a distance. For example, this is a U-tube, and here we set here is a galvanometer. This one is a negative electrode and this one is positive electrode. Okay, ion to ion, yaitu Fe2+. Here, dia release electron. Bila dia release electron satu electron, dia akan forming Fe3+, Fe3+ ion. So maksudnya di sini dia yang release itu electron. So the electron will flow into the conducting wire here and will be received by this one. Okay, this one. Received by this one. The manganate 7 ion, MnO4-, receive the electron. Okay, from here. Receive the electron from here. Okay, they receive the electron and become manganese 2 ion, Mn2+. Okay, so here from purple solution, bila dia sudah receive the electron, dia jadi manganese 2 ion, become colorless solution. This one, initially dia punya color is green solution, Fe2+, tapi selepas dia buang satu elektron, donate satu elektron, so dia become brown solution here. Okay, so here the iron 2 sulfate here undergo what? Oxidation, sebab dia donate electron. So bila dia undergo oxidation, dia adalah reducing agent. And this one, the acidified potassium manganate 7 ini solution, dia adalah undergo what? Undergo reduction because dia receive the electron. So, bila dia undergo reduction, dia adalah oxidizing agent. Okay? Okay, writing half equation for the oxidation. This is the oxidation, loses electron. The iron 2 sulfate solution. Okay, so we write the half equation of iron 2 sulfate FeSO4 from green they change to brown, but here we only take the iron sebab iron yang buang elektron. So here Fe2+ dia buang elektron, dia jadi Fe3+. Okay, Fe2+ become Fe3+ because dia buang 1 electron. Okay, how about the reduction? Reduction adalah manganate 7 solution KMnO4. We take this one only, the manganate MnO4. MnO4 negative. This one purple purple solution. Because dia ini adalah acidified, so dia adalah acidic condition, so we add H plus here. Okay. So the product is, nanti product dia apa? Manganese 2. Kan? Manganese 2 ion. From purple become colorless. Okay. Second step, balance the number of atom for each element. So we balance lah. This one, we add 8. This one, manganese 2 plus ion. In acidic condition, the reaction will produce water. So you add water here and you balance up. You add 4 in front. Number 3, sum up the total charges of reactant and product. Okay, this one, charge negative 1. This one, charge dia positive 8. So this one plus this one become positive 7. How about this one? Charge dia positive 2. This one tiada charge. No charge is 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2. Okay, so here is 7. Here is 2. Number 4. Add electrons to the side that has more positive charges to balance the charges. Mana satu yang lebih banyak charge? Here or here? Here kan? So here. Berapa kita perlu tambah elektron? Here is 7. Here is 2. You minus lah. 7 minus 2, you add 5 more electron. Supaya dia balance. So you add 5 electron. So total charge here is negative 1 plus 8 plus negative 5 become plus 2. Here positive 2 plus 0 plus 2. So balance lah. Left hand side, right hand side. Dia punya apa ini? Charges. Total charges dia sama sudah. Okay. So itu cara dia tadi. Okay. So di sini yang tadi itu. This one charge dia positive 2. Sini charge dia positive 3. So di sini dia lebih positif berbanding di sini. So we add elektron di bahagian kanan. Memang kan? Okay. So 3 tolak 2. Charge dia negatif 1. So barulah total charge dia sama. Sini positif 2. Sini pun positif 2. Okay. Begitu cara untuk write half equation. Okay, seterusnya. Tadi ini half equation untuk oxidation. Ini half equation untuk what? Untuk reduction. So now, the number of electron in the equation 1 and 2 must be the same. Here electron dia 1, here electron dia 5. So tidak sama. So untuk kasih sama, the number 1 we times with 5. So you times 5, 5, 5. Okay, sebab kita mau buat ionic equation nanti. Kita mau gabung kedua-dua half equation itu. 5, 5, 5. You times 5, right? Okay, sudah tu. Baru kita gabung. Okay, kita gabung. Kiri gabung dengan kiri. Kanan gabung dengan kanan. The electron kita mansuhkan sahaja. Sebab dia punya bilangan sebelah kiri dan kanan adalah sama. So, last kali ionic equation kita ialah inilah. Selepas digabungkan. Kiri-kiri, kanan-kanan. Lepas kita gabung, ini adalah dia punya equation. Okay. Ionic equation. Okay. Ionic equation adalah hasil gabungan dua half equation. Alright. So, these are some examples of oxidizing agent. Some examples of oxidizing agent. The first one is acidified potassium manganate 7 KMnO4. This is the half equations of this oxidizing agent. Okay. Oxidizing agent undergo reduction. Maksudnya dia gain electron. Okay, so ngam lah dia gain electron. Second one is acidified potassium dichromate 6. Okay, 2Cr2O7. This is another oxidizing agent. Okay. Chlorine water, bromine water, iron trichloride, acidified hydrogen peroxide. Semua oxidizing agent ini mengalami reduction. Meaning mengalami reduction adalah gain electron. Nampak? Gain electron. And these are some examples of reducing agent. So remember, reducing agent will undergo oxidation, meaning loss of electron. The first one, potassium iodide, potassium bromide, iron 2 sulfate, reactive metals such as zinc, sulfur dioxide, SO2. So kalau kita tengok half equation dia, semuanya losses electron. Nampak? Sebelah kanan, losses electron. Okay. Bila dia buang 2 elektron, dia jadi 2I minus. 2I minus. Iodide ion lah. Okay. Like this one. Fe2 plus. Dia buang 1 elektron. Become Fe3 plus. Zinc buang 2 elektron. Become zinc ion. Zn2 plus. Alright. Okay. Next one, oxidation and reduction in terms of change in oxidation number. Okay, change in oxidation number. What is oxidation number? Oxidation and reductions are extended by using the concept of oxidation number in describing redox reaction to cover all reaction. What is oxidation number? Oxidation number inilah, this one. Ni. Dia punya charge di atas tu. Ini 2 plus, 3 plus. Itu adalah oxidation number. Okay, so now oxidation and reduction in terms of change in oxidation number. Kalau oxidation number dia increases, maksudnya reaction yang takes place adalah oxidation. When the oxidation number decreases, so what type of reaction takes place? Reduction. Okay, oxidation, increase in oxidation number. Reduction, decrease in oxidation number. Example, carbon plus oxygen become carbon dioxide. Here, the oxidation number is 0. Charge dia kosong kan? So, oxidation number dia 0. Here also the oxidation number 0. Okay, here the carbon here, oxidation number dia positive 4. And here the oxygen here, oxidation number, charge dia adalah negative 2. Okay, negative 2. So kalau kita lihat daripada sini, carbon pergi carbon from 0 to 4. Increase kan? So, when the oxidation number increase, maksudnya carbon undergo oxidation. Okay. How about here, the oxygen? Oxidation number dia 0. But here, the oxidation dia become negative 2. So, decrease kan? So, oxidation number dia decrease. So, the oxygen undergo reduction. Okay. So, again, carbon undergo oxidation. So, when carbon undergo oxidation, so dia adalah agent apa? Reducing agent. Okay. And this one, the oxygen undergo reduction. So, when oxygen undergo reduction, dia adalah agent apa? Oxidizing agent. Right? Oxidizing agent. So, conclusion. An oxidizing agent is a substance that oxidizes other substance and is reduced in a redox reaction. And a reducing agent is a substance that reduces other substance and is oxidized in a redox reaction. So make sure kamu tidak pening. Ingat sahaja Kasi terbalik saja. Oxidizing agent undergo reduction. Reducing agent undergo oxidation. Okay? Ingat itu sahaja. Okay, so that's all for today. Sila buat assignment yang telah teacher berikan. Alright. So, pray and never give up. Luke 18 verse 1. Alright. So, thank you class.